Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, May 2nd, 2022. It is 6:17 and 57 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, diagnosing breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. The scientists discover how salt in tumors can help diagnose and treat breast cancer. Date April 24, 2022. Source, University of York. Researchers have developed a technique using sodium magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, to detect salt levels in breast cancer tumors in mice. Imaging salt levels can be a vital new tool to help diagnose and monitor breast cancer, the researchers say. Analyzing sodium levels in breast cancer tumors can give an accurate indication of how aggressive a cancer is and whether chemotherapy treatments are taking effect. New research has shown there are currently around 55,922 cases of breast cancer diagnosed in the UK each year. It is a leading cause of cancer-related death in women worldwide. Imaging salt levels can be a vital new tool to help diagnose and monitor breast cancer, the researchers say. The team is now conducting an observational study to see if their results can be replicated in human breast cancer patients. Researchers have known for a while that solid tumors are high in salt, but this research brings us a step closer to understanding why. The findings show that the high levels of sodium in breast cancer tumors is coming from inside the cancer cells rather than the surrounding tissue fluid, meaning there is something strange about their metabolic activity, which leads to them accumulating more salt than healthy cells do. There are currently only a handful of sodium magnetic resonance imaging scanners across the country. The study paves the way for them to be used as a new technique for diagnosing breast cancer, monitoring the success of treatments, and improving the survival rates for patients. According to the authors of the study, there is also the potential for the development of drugs to block sodium channels in cancer cells, slowing the growth and spread of tumors. The previous research identified a drug currently used to treat epilepsy, which showed promise in targeting sodium channels and slowed cancer progression in laboratory models of breast cancer. The researchers would like to explore ways to improve the resolution of sodium MRI, which currently produces a relatively pixelated image in comparison to a normal MRI scan. The team wants to develop new technologies, such as the design of new radio frequency coils and associated cooling systems to improve the signal quality of sodium imaging. And this would enable them to do further research, including investigating whether there are sodium hotspots in tumors where growth is most active. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.